Hello and welcome to Asana with Jess. I'm Jess and today we're going to be making protein punch chocolate chickpea cookies. These have 2.7 grams of protein in them and 1.2 grams of fibre. If you are interested in working out your protein requirements, you can just take your weight, multiply it by 0.8 to 1, and that's your protein requirements for the day. And for fibre, it's good to aim for at least 25 grams per day to keep your bowels moving. These cookies are gluten-free and they can be made vegan if you use dairy-free chocolate. Any nut butter can be used, but I use cashew nut butter because that's just my personal favourite. And lastly, I just want to say treat foods can be eaten as part of a normal healthy diet, as long as they're eaten in moderation. And it's even better if they have some nutritional value, such as the chickpeas that offer the protein and the fibre in these cookies. So let's get started. This recipe has chocolate, cashew nut butter, vanilla essence, brown sugar, baking powder, coconut, and the magic ingredient, chickpeas. Preheat your oven to 170 degrees on fan bake. Line a tray with baking paper and chop the chocolate into small chunks. Add 1 tin of chickpeas to a food processor. Add 2 tablespoons of desiccated coconut. Add 1/3 of a cup of brown sugar and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Add the half cup of nut butter and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Blend everything on a high speed until a dough-like consistency forms. Once the dough consistency has been reached, add in the chopped chocolate. Blend briefly until just combined. Using an ice cream scoop, form balls with the dough mixture on the tray, using water to prevent sticking. Now using a fork, press down lightly on each biscuit, using water to prevent from sticking. Place in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes. And voila, your biscuits are now ready to eat. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up so that I know to do more of these.